All right, what's going on, people? This is Brandon with Brandon Reviews, here today with the May Thread Beast subscription box. Hopefully this box is going to be a lot better than the last one, because the box for April, I must say, the only way I can really describe it is it was trash. Not happy with it at all. If they hadn't come through with so many other, packages that were great, that would have really truly pissed me off, that package that I just got, and I probably would have wanted to send it back and try to get like my money back and stop the service. It was pretty bad. There was not a single thing that I liked in it, and that's disappointing, because then you feel like you get these big benefits for getting a package that's worth like $200 and you only spent like $85, which is the essential package that I get. In that package, I was actually pretty mad that I felt like I wasted $85, even though I got like $220 worth of stuff. And one of the items that I didn't include in there was a pair of underwear, which was literally the only thing that was a benefit in the box. And we'll get to the benefit of the underwears in just a minute. I know I used to talk a lot of shit about the PSD underwear, but they are so comfortable. I had never really actually worn them. So I definitely apologize to PSD. Your draws are the shit, okay? All right, so let's get into this May box. I just really hope that they did me right this time. We will see. Boom. All right, let's see what we got going. PSD underwear. I'm actually not gonna complain about these anymore. I'm actually happy. Got me some underwear. Those are great. They are very comfortable. They don't rise up. They don't, you know what I mean? Like, they fit long just like they're supposed to. And they don't rise up on your thighs. It's just wonderful, and it's great, and it just works. All right, so first thing we got going on here is a pink Dolphin t-shirt, which is just a t-shirt. I mean, it's a good quality t-shirt. It's a thick quality, and it seems like it's gonna fit pretty well. So there's really nothing bad that I can say about it. It's pretty basic, with the logo that's on front. Okay, so got a pair of swim trunks, Burnside. Okay, these look pretty good. They got some good pockets. You know what I've been running into? Swim trunks that I've gotten haven't had pockets. You know what I mean? That's definitely been a problem for me. So I anticipate, the draws are around about $20, $25. The t-shirt, I'm sure, is $25, $35. These shorts are $45. How do I know? Because they left the price tag on them. So, already I feel like I'm winning. I'm very much happy, even though this is a little bit more like a gangbang box. We over here bleeding all over the place, but I like the shorts. And then that brand is Burnside. And then we got a Burnside shirt, a long sleeve polo shirt to go with this. These shorts. Not quite sure about the long sleeve though. I live in California. I mean, I was like all the way with it, but I guess, thinking about the beaches here, this long sleeve shirt can come in handy. I'm trying to convince myself. If this was a short sleeve polo shirt, I would be in love with this outfit. But since it's long sleeve, I'm only liking it, I guess I could say. Just liking it. Okay, so also another pair of socks. Not quite sure if I've gotten this pair of Champion socks. They must have just gotten like an endless supply of like Champion socks in. I don't know what it is, but yeah, they just got a lot of Champion socks. I guess just like they got the draws. But I guess those are their consistent pieces that they can offer. I really appreciate all of you checking out these videos. I would ask that you please like and subscribe to this channel as I continue to try to bring you the best videos possible. trying to reach the goal of subscribers and view times and all that good stuff. So if you have appreciated the videos, if you're interested in Threadbeast, I really suggest that you try the link in the description and you go ahead and give it a try. You know, you can cancel it at any time. For those of you guys that are like me, that aren't great with shopping and you need a little bit of help, this is a really good service. Now, I can definitely say that most of the boxes that I've gotten have been big wins for me. You know, every once in a while, there's usually just an item or two that maybe I'm just like, yeah, nah, that's not gonna work for me. But never have I had a whole box like the April box that was just like absolute trash and actually kind of frustrated me. But for the most part, yeah, it's pretty cool. I am satisfied overall with Threadbeast. And I just hope that they continue to give quality items like they have regularly. So I don't want to hold you guys up. You'll be right back with the trying on of this outfit. Hopefully I won't be sweating because it is already warm out here these days. All right, see you in a minute. If you've been curious about Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, or other stocks and cryptocurrencies, you've got to jump on it right now. I use Robinhood for most of my stock and crypto transactions, then Crypto.com for all of my other crypto needs. I've made thousands of dollars just by investing a few $100s. You can do the same today. Just follow the links in the description and watch your money grow. You won't regret it. Okay, so this right here, like I wanted to like it. Like the shorts are fine. I definitely will be rocking these and might be rocking them sooner than later. Now, don't get me wrong about the shirt. It's nice. It's a little tight fitting. But then the fact that it's a long sleeve, you're gonna send me this in May, is kind of just like, for why? Why are you sending me this in May? A long sleeve shirt, and I'm in California. Why? I don't understand it. It's a little bit of a fail, Threadbeast. I know it matches, and if it was a short sleeve shirt, I would be singing your praises, but it's not. Kind of disappointed, because I'll actually never be able to wear these two at the same time, it doesn't feel like. Don't know when I'd wear a long sleeve shirt and shorts. Yeah, okay. Next. This shirt is a little different. I feel like it's choking me. I kept the same shorts on, but goodness, this neck in this shirt like makes me just want to like kind of pull at it. I feel like I'm being choked, like it's a turtleneck or something. I haven't had a t-shirt that was like that, so yeah, this is gonna be a pass for me as well. So I guess that's why it's good that I try this stuff on, so you guys get an idea. And this is the Dolphin, pink Dolphin. Goodness, like I feel so, somebody's choking me or something. All right, let me get this off. For all of my digital and creative assets, I use Envato Elements to find stock photos, music tracks, web templates, graphic and video templates for all of my various projects. Check it out and take your creativity to the next level. And depending on the project, when I need high quality music tracks for video and audio clients, I always turn to Soundstripe. They have over 100,000 music, video, and special effects tracks to choose from that will take your creative projects to the next level. Sign up today and I promise you'll thank me later. The link will be in the description for both.